Welcome again, family. This is an unboxing video. Very often we get new shipments, and today is one of those days when we get a new shipment. And well, I'm standing in front of some of the new stuff, and you know, we're always improving. We're always listening to our customers' needs. So I'm bringing you this unboxing video so you see what we got. I'm going to see it for the first time, this particular set of products, for the first time with you guys. So follow me, let's take a look now. Alright, family, so before I get to the unboxing, we're just walking past these. These are 700 watt panels. It's not the first time we have 700 watt panels, but with this shipment, the price went down. So once the price go down for us, the price is going down for you. So yeah, the price went down. So we're going to start charging less. And it's a significant little chunk too, you know, because the add up is a lot. We're going to be charging less for the 700 watt panels, bifacial. And by bifacial, it means that, you know, it generates power from both sides. So if you have some sort of zinc that reflect the sunlight back up, this is the back of the panel, you know. So it generates from both sides. It's an added advantage, but the price, man. We got a better price, and that is it. You won't get a better price. So yeah, let's go do the unboxing. Yeah. This is a 10 kilowatt hour lithium battery, 48 volts. Let's take a look. All right away we see the first clue. These batteries are wall mount only, and that was the first thing that allowed us to get some cost savings. This is the wall mount. This battery is wall mount only. Now that allows us to get some cost savings, and we pass that on to you. Here we have the manual. It's always good to have the manual if you're do-it-yourself, huh? But for most people you won't need the manual. The communications cable, good that it comes with this. Battery connection bolts with the little plastic pieces to cover up to prevent short circuiting. Mounting bolt to mount the this mount here, the wall mount. Alright, this is the part that I like. Look at the actual battery. Battery pretty. Oh, look. Wow. You get, this looks like about a 3-foot cable. Power cable. So that's good. If you're not mounting it too far from your inverter, then you wouldn't need to buy any cable. Come with everything. Once it's within 3 feet from your inverter, that's good. That's good to know. All right. Come on. I gotta shoot this. Here we go. All right. So here's the battery. Hold on, what's this? Hold on there. Oh, what? So it's a wall mount battery, but it looks like it comes with legs to stand up. Although I do not recommend stand up this battery without wall mounting it, or at least securing it to the wall somehow, which would be you'd wall mount it. You could strap it to the wall. Reason being, it's kind of top heavy. It's a tall battery. I get legs anyway. That's good. All right. I like the little green thing in it. It looks nice. This has a screen. That's always good to have. That's the power indicator. Tell you, you know, at a quick glance you can tell if it's full or if it's empty. There's an alarm. Like a red light, that's always good. Once you see red light, you know there's something gone wrong. You know, the on off and the red, well, this is a run, but the run light, so I guess this would be green. Let's see. Alright, so the battery full. 53.5 volts in it, full battery. Red light blinking. So I guess we will see what happens when we put it to use. Alright, but let's take a good look at it outside of the box. Now remember, as you can see, this is not the Daya brand, but we know we have to listen to our customers, and some customers want the best price possible for lithium iron phosphate batteries. So this is what we come up with. This is only wall mount only. It's not stackable, so you need the wall space, and it's usually for smaller systems. Because if it's a bigger system, you're going to need a lot of wall space. It wouldn't really work. The stackables are the ones that work. You can check out one of our videos. You can see the Daya battery, the difference. Compatibility. We do not expect the same level of compatibility, but we expect a high level of compatibility. We should do another video to show you what we mean. So probably you could stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want. When we do that, we're going to hook up this battery to the Daya inverter, and you can see how compatible it is. It's an unboxing, so I have to go lift it up. Jesus Christ. Battery heavy. You get your money's worth with this. Alright. One thing about battery. Batteries are heavy. Alright, there we have it. So outside of the box, so it's officially unboxed. Okay, yeah. You can see on the back, it's kind of like a TV. You know them TV mount there. This is good. This is nice. As long as you can lift up this heavy battery, then you can mount it on the wall. Again, what is kind of special about this is that if you're really on a budget, doing a smaller system, we have to watch out for our budget conscious clients. This price is definitely lower than the Daya battery. Here's where you have everything. You have the dip switches, communication. You have, this is where you're going to connect the wires. It's nice, man. It's nice. Everything up at top. Yeah, nothing on the back. We don't want to have to take it off the wall for any reason. The way all this heavy. This battery is about what is now? At least 2.5 feet tall. I guess you could use the tiles and see that it's about a little bit over a foot wide. So I call it about 18 inches wide. So you have an idea how many you can fit on your wall. I would install these low. I don't know who would want to do the work for lift up this battery up high, But I guess if you need to, you could fill out the wall. You could fill out a wall with the batteries, different levels. You could fill out a wall with the batteries. If you want to do that. I personally think that looks ugly, so I prefer stackable batteries. But hey, everybody's different. For those of you who are wondering, this weigh about 100 pounds. This weigh more than 100 pounds, more than a bag of cement. Number 2, unboxing. This one is a smaller one. This is a 5 kilowatt hour wall mount. Let's take a look. All right. So, okay. So I have all of the wall mounts. Communication cable. The manual. Well, let's send the bolts separate and the insulation. And well, you don't have to buy anything really. You can just mount this with everything, same as the other one. Wow. Okay, different color. All right. .12 kilowatt hour battery. Yeah, you do get the power cables. I don't know, this kind of look big for a 5 kilowatt hour battery. These are the legs. I did not expect any legs. Didn't order the legs. Get too much for the money. All right, we could test this now. All right. Definitely a lighter battery. Definitely a lighter battery. Take a look at this side. For the 5 kilowatt hour battery, I have the on off button here and the connections at the side. But it is what it is. I kinda like the connections at the top. We're going to turn on the battery now. Well, alarm light works, 53.35 volts. So it come full. No red light flashing, so that's good. Space wise, you can see the width of it is even wider. You get all of this with it, which is pretty nice. Cause I mean, just a meter of cable, it have price, you know. Every little thing costs money, so that's a great thing. I mean, if you go into your computer store and try buy one of these cables, nothing don't cost me less than 10 US nowadays, you know. So, you know, it adds up. So you get a lot with it. It's not totally official as yet, but I am hearing, I mean, we just got the goods, so I did ask. I'm hearing that the price of the 10 kilowatt hour battery will be around 280,000 Jamaican dollars. You know, with all that stuff. And the price of the 5 kilowatt hour batteries will be $180,000. Thereabouts. You get all this stuff with it. Better price. It's summer now, so a lot of people are more concerned about running air conditioning. If you're going to run air conditioning, you would really want this one. This can run your AC, you know, all night, and you shouldn't run up the light bill too much, if anything at all. If you're on a budget, you get this one. It's 100,000 less, and later you can always add another one. But you can probably turn on your AC half of the night. You cool on the room, and then you just cruise through the rest of the night. Turn off the AC by about 1 o'clock, and you wouldn't run up your light bill. That's the main concern when it comes to batteries, is running air conditioning. There you have it. 10 kilowatt hour, wall mount only, for 280,000. And the 5 kilowatt hour wall mount for $180,000 Jamaican dollars. You know, we price in US dollars, so it might fluctuate a little bit. Batteries tend to sell out fast, especially when it's lower price stuff. So, while stocks last. So, just a reminder, we install island-wide. So you put it there from Westmoreland all the way to Portland, it doesn't matter. We install everywhere. All the information will be in the description below. You know, how to contact us on all these things. Whether you want the day brand or you want aftermarket brand, you know, we have it. You know, it depends on you, the consumer, what you're really looking for. All right, family. So that is it. We're listening to our customers. We get what you want. Every step of the way, we are there with you. So until next time, take care.